Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today is the day that the countertops actually get installed. I'm really excited about this. It's been a long time coming. I know a lot of you have been asking down in the comment section about, hey, where's the basement updates? When are you guys gonna actually get that stuff going? Well, today's that day. The crew is gonna be here in about another hour or so. I probably am not gonna film them because I don't want them to feel uncomfortable and all that good stuff. Plus, everybody's going to be wearing masks, and so we don't want anybody to be feeling uncomfortable. So the countertops are going to get installed today, and pretty soon I'll be sitting down here having a beer in my own bar. This is the faucet that we picked up. It's a Moen Edwin, and the company actually has the sink. They took it with them so they could put it mounted up. Here's a before shot of the counters getting put in. Well, there she is. Countertops installed. Looks really nice. The quartz with the veining in it. This quartz is made by MSI. It's Calacatta Miraggio is the color. And it looks really, really good. You see that they got the seam, everything's in. Yeah, really nice. You can see how they got it all installed. It looks perfect. Both sides. Everything looks great. Really pleased with how this turned out. So I asked the installers while they were here how everything looked, how the install for the actual cabinetry looked, whether or not things were flush enough or whether or not they were level enough. And what he said was that I actually did a good job installing all the cabinets. Everything was actually very level. He said that actually there was only one spot that actually needed a little bit of shimming, which was actually right here on this outside cabinet, which I knew because this one spot in the floor is actually slightly a little bit low. And so anyway, he had to shim that. But it turned out fine. He said that the support structure that I built in, because if you remember, this side of the cabinet actually doesn't open. It's just a, you know, like I built a spot that basically I had to build in the structure in these corners here and here. And he said that the structure that I built in was actually very good and it should be nice and supportive. So I'm pretty pleased with how that went. Yeah, so anyway, that's really cool. I'm gonna get the faucet installed and get all the plumbing hooked up, and then pretty soon we'll be able to use this thing.